Paul, talking about love, I am firstly here to thank you all because the kind of love I've gotten from you all in this past 1 year is something that I never imagined. Uh, it has really made me the best version of myself. So thank you for all that love. And I just want to ask you one thing. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you, thank you. And yes, I want to thank Sandeep for having me here, giving me this opportunity to share this love with you all. And Benetton, I just want to say that, Benetton has been this one brand since my childhood. Whenever I've grown up, Benetton has been this one brand where if I go on a shopping, a spree, ki today aaj shopping ka din hai, aaj shopping ke liye jana hai, that day wasn't finished without going to a store of Benetton.
Thank you.
Because, uh, what attracts us the most as buyers is always the colors. It's always what do you feel by just looking at those colors. And Benetton is this one brand that gives you that feeling of, happiness. I mean, at least that's what stood for me. And when my friends came to know that I'm coming here today, they all went like, I mean, they know me since like before I became an actor and all of that, but they were like, man, I've been a huge fan of that brand, and I'm so happy that you associated with them. So that's what Benetton is for all of us. Spreads happiness, spreads love, and also it's not just like I've I've always observed, and I got the surety of the fact that Benetton, since the past 54 years, has never promoted their own clothes. They've never promoted clothes. It's the only brand probably in the whole world. They've only promoted what's happening in the society. They've only promoted colors, and that talks a lot about the brand. They're not self-absorbed. They are thinking more. Their outlook is more towards the society as to what we can contribute towards what's happening in the society. And what better way, what better timing to spread love when it's the first Valentine's Day after the decriminalization of 377, which is fantastic. I think that deserves a great round of applause. So I mean, I'm very very happy, very honored to be here. And over to you, Sandeep. I would really love to hear more about Benetton.
Thank you, Vicky. In fact, Vicky has said almost everything. As the CEO, I was wondering, मतलब Vicky मेरे ख्याल से Benetton के बारे में सब जानते हैं. So it was very, very interesting. And
Big
in
fan.
fact, for us, right from the inception, the journey has been all about, colors and being socially responsible brand. And this is what has really made a difference. That's the reason the brand has been in existence for more than 50 years. And I'm pretty confident that it is going to last for perpetuity. And this spring summer 19 and this Valentine's Day is very, very special for us because as a country, now we are willing to embrace, everyone to come and celebrate love, affection, and joy, which is really, the true hallmark of the brand. And that's the spirit, what we call United by Colors for us. So thank you so much. And thank you, Vicky, from the bottom of heart. And in fact, I have to tell you, we had a fashion show presentation and the first dialogue was, how is the Josh, guys? How is the Josh? so, so the fashion show is all about how is the Josh. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandeep.
It's so great to hear from both you gentlemen and these values that you both talked about that are so central to Benetton, inclusivity, diversity. Those are such important values. And as you were saying, as kids even, when you went to a Benetton store, got that t-shirt, it was like the ultimate thing because it stood for so much more than just a shirt, right? And speaking of which, you are dressed in this collection. Could you just tell me what motivated you to pick out your outfit and just the colors and, what you liked about what you're wearing?
This is all Benetton from top to bottom. And
Woo!
I want to say one thing. Oh, really? Thank you. I would.
Woo!
Firstly, I want to say I had a moment a couple of days back when this opportunity came my way. I had a moment where I realized it's not Benetton, it's Benetton. Firstly, it's Benetton.
Yes, Benetton.
I was like, really? My whole life has been a lie. Benetton nahi hai, Benetton hai. I was like, okay. UCB, yeah. Actually, all of us for that matter, all of us. But yes, I'm wearing, I mean, what I'm wearing. but I've always gone for something that gives me comfort. I'm not really a very brand conscious person. I am not aware of many brands. कोई brands के नाम तो मैं बोल भी नहीं सकता हूँ. But the thing is, I wear it, and if it fits me well, I'm very happy because I feel a person, you know, wearing clothes which fits him just right cannot look better in any other brand, you know. So I've always gone for the fitting, I've always gone for the colors, I've always gone for the silhouettes of the clothes, and I love the fact about Benetton that it's just, you know, it represents relaxed silhouettes, which is just my vibe, you know. It has to look relaxed. I have to look relaxed when I'm wearing something, be it a tuxedo, be it a relaxed wear. I have to look comfortable. So that's what always something that have drawn me to Benetton. The colors, the relaxed vibe, and it's pleasant, it's soothing, you know, it brings a smile on your face. You feel like checking out all those colors. See, like for that rack example, it's a small rack over there, but it's so full of colors, you know, and that is something drawn towards Benetton. Yeah.
I couldn't agree more. And I think the Spring Summer 19 collection is all about color. It's the celebration of color. And so would you like to share a little bit about the collection and just your thoughts on?
So, you know, it's something which we've always done in the right manner. It's all about colors. It's all about optimism, hope, positivity. And also what is very important is it is a very inclusive collection. So inclusive collection would mean that the global brand has understood the Indian sensibilities very well and has designed a collection which appeals to everyone across the country.
Yes, and I think on that note, fashion, like love, transcends all boundaries. It transcends religion, it transcends gender, it transcends age, and that's what we're here to celebrate. And on that note, we have a very special cake.
what are your tips? How should guys dress for
How
a
should guys
Valentine's
dress?
Day date?
Good question.
Guys should dress the way their girls want them to dress.
Woo!
Simple. Simple. I mean, every day, your favorite color has to become her favorite color, and her favorite color has to become your favorite color. So yeah, simple.
Vicky, you are talking about colors.
Yeah, hi.
So Valentine Day चल रहा है week. So आप क्या कितना believe करते हो और आपका first crush कौन था?
पहली बात तो मैं I don't believe in giving a special day for love. Love is a very beautiful emotion, and just one day is not enough. So I guess every day should be celebrated as Valentine's Day. And my first crush. Actually, काफी funny incident था. I was in school, quite a tender age. हाँ जी? आपको पता है? मेरे सामने नहीं बैठी थी, मेरे एक रो छोड़ के दूसरे रो में थी वो. या पर बस वो उसी क्लास तक सीमित था, उसके बाद खैर.
Uri, sorry, Vicky, Vicky Justin here from PTI.
Hi Justin, how are you?
I am fine. Vicky, it's so good to see you after Uri's success and the female fan following and the way the entire country is loving you.
Thank you, Justin.
Tell me, Vicky, I wanted to know what happens to an actor like you who makes a splashing big success like in Uri, which is still doing 200 crores. Does it hearten you a lot, or are you also a little scared because there are, of course, wonderful films coming up next? Do you feel the pressure of numbers today?
Firstly, Justin, I've really been waiting to get this pressure on my shoulders. I've really worked hard to get this pressure on my shoulders, and it feels good here. You get so much love, and it just feels so good. And thank you for it. I love you too. But it really feels good, and you say that to yourself that now is the time that you can't take anything for granted. Keep working hard, harder and hardest every day of your life, and this just feels too special.
All right, you guys, we have one last question.
Hi, Vicky.
Very good. How are you? Thank you. Sorry, after her, I'll...
Guys, we have to keep the question centric to the
Naughty
collection.
person in the crowd.
Yeah,
Hi, Vicky. I'm
this is
Meher.
the last question, you guys. I know everyone.
I'm sorry, I can't talk
questions,
about
but-
that.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Meher.
Hi, Meher.
What's your favorite pair from the Benetton store
My favorite pair
of clothes?
of clothes. It's always. So I'm a crazy fan of white t-shirt and blue denims. So
Me too.
see, today also there's one that combination is still alive. The white and blue is the best combination for me. It's my most favorite combination. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Woo! All right, you guys, thanks so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, you can
Vicky,
ask. No, I've played Vicky also. I've played Vicky Sandhu in Man Marziyan. Yeah.
Guys, collection-centric questions. Come on.
She's talking of another collection already.
Hi, Vicky.
But to answer your question, Vicky Sandhu is a character that I enjoyed playing. Yeah.
Hi,
Thank you.
hi, Vicky. I'm Neha. I'm a blogger.
Hi, Neha.
And, I want to ask you one question. What is that one most essential fashion thing which is in your wardrobe and which has to be there at all times, which you reach out for?
A pair of ripped jeans. Yeah.
High
Love.
five.
Love.
Absolutely. Okay, guys, thank you. You were amazing. I'm sorry you couldn't ask all the questions you wanted to, but you understand how this stuff works. We have one last photo op, and then we're going to say thank you to our wonderful gentleman on stage. Can we just make way for our media and photographers to come forward so they get the pictures they need, please? You guys have been an amazing audience, by the way, and the